Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Bijay and I'm a Microsoft MVP in SharePoint. In today's video, we are going to see how we can send urgent message in Microsoft Teams. So if you are using Microsoft Teams for the first time, then I'll put a link in the video description. I have explained how we can use Microsoft Teams from the beginning. And so here we will see the kind of that we can send urgent message or important message while chatting with other people. Now, so if you'll see here, there are three types of message. Normally, one is the standard message, that how we usually we chat with each other. That is the standard message, and that is the default which is selected. And then there are important message. So let's say you select that message, then it will be marked as important in the Microsoft Teams itself. And also there are urgent message. So if we select urgent this option, then the message will become urgent, and every 2 minutes for next 20 minutes you will see a notification will be shown in the activity tab in the Teams. So you'll get to know that there is an urgent message on that. So I'll show you that. I have also written a complete tutorial on the same. So that is basically on Microsoft Teams tricks and tips. You can see here tips and tricks. I'll put the link in the video description. There are a lot more are there. So I have explained here step by step with screenshot. I'll put the link in the video description. You can have a look at that. Now coming back to this, so I'll open my Teams here. Now you can see here, this is the team. Suppose I want to send a urgent message or important message to this guy, then what I'll do is, here you can see there is a set delivery option is there. So you can see by default standard is selected important and urgent. So I'll select important first. You can see here how the UI is appearing, and I'll say this is an important message. So you can see here, and now you see this how it is appearing. There is a red icon with an important symbol here. So that way user will get to know that okay, this is an important message, and also it is clearly showing that important here. And then suppose you want to send a urgent message, so I can also write like this: this is an urgent message, and I will click over here and I will set this urgent message. You can see here it is clearly showing that it will notify the recipient saying that every 2 minutes for the next 20 minutes that there is an urgent message. Now suppose I'll say enter. Now you can see here that has been the urgent message, how it is appearing. Now look at this, it is showing an activity icon here, and every 2 minutes it will start showing here in the activity tab. So I'll pause the video and I'll show you that. So what I have done is I have logged in with this particular user, and I will show you. I'll show in the browser itself, and these options are available in the web itself. So if you are using the web, you will be able to see that. Now if you'll see, there is this is the chart you can see, and here you can see the urgent and important urgent messages are there. Apart from that, if I'll go to the activity tab, you can see it is showing me that there is an urgent message. So you can see here the logged in user is the Arvind here, you can see. So this is how you can send urgent message, and the user will get notified through the activity tab in basically in for every 2 minutes for 20 minutes. So if you want a similar kind of videos on Microsoft Teams, Office 365, SharePoint Online, SPFX, Power Platform, all these things, then subscribe to the channel. You'll get a lot of free videos on this. So thank you and have a nice day.